Today I'm going to explain this brilliant strategy with you guys. This is going to change your mindset about trading. If you are in boom and crash trading or you in volatility trading, this strategy is going to help you to boost your daily basis profit. Yes, how to trade. Here you guys can see I took the multiple trades. Just simple, no one else is just following this strategy. It's an amazing strategy. You just need to set up once, follow the rules, and that's all. Let's go and set up the strategy, how actually to work each and everything. I'm going to guide this. You can use it any indexes. Okay, look here guys, the buy I took is in profit. Now is going up and up, and we are in profit. Let's move to other indexes too. Here you guys can see the step index, which is showing it's down, but it's buy. Okay, how I know it's buy? Because of this strategy. Okay, I just need to set my entry, my SL, my TP, and that's all. Any index you go open, you just need to follow rules, and that's all. After following the rules, you just need to enter as we guide in the video, and you all set. Very simple strategy, very unique and powerful strategy. Here you guys can see this is also by very simple, powerful, and unique strategy. Very simple. Let's go and set up the strategy, how actually it works, and how to play with this strategy. So first of all, we'll go for indicator session. Envelope period will be 70, deviation will be 0.740, and click on save. Take a screenshot to set it up later. Here's the second one. Period will be 70, deviation will be 0.840, and click on save. That's all. Bollinger Bands 50, deviation will be default. Click on save and done. This is the third one. Fourth one, period 50, deviation 2.566. Click on save. It's done. Let's go back. Okay, your strategy is set up, definitely done. How to take a buy? Each time market come down and touch this lower middle Bollinger Band, go for a buy. Your stop loss will be below at this line. Okay, for sell, when market touch this Bollinger Bands upper and also touch the envelopes, go for sell. Let me show you. This is a good one. This is a good sell. Here you guys can see it touched the upper Bollinger Band and also market started going down. So this is a clear direction when to take exit. Once market hit the down Bollinger Band envelopes, go for exit. Everywhere you take the entry, you will be in profit. Look here, to take the buy, when it touches the down Bollinger Bands, you will go for entry. Hold till the market go touch the upper Bollinger Band. Once you touch the upper Bollinger Band, go for sell and close your buy entry. This is how actually it works. Here you guys can see the market is going upward and is about to touch this upper Bollinger Band. Now it's time to go for a sell. When it touch this Bollinger Band, it's still not touched, so we are in buy. So this is very simple, unique, powerful. Hope you guys understood. If you still have any questions, something, you guys can type in the comment section. I will help you to understand.